I'm Luis Castillo, founder and Chief Executive Officer at NeuroDigital Technologies, where we are bringing real hands and sense of touch to virtual reality. What's the first thing people do when they try virtual reality? They try to reach, touch, and interact with virtual elements. And moreover, what about controlling things? Nowadays, you must wear a controller, and this is not natural to interact and interface with virtual reality. And if we are speaking about training, you need your real hands, not a controller. Hands are very important, and it is estimated that virtual reality in training will save more than 10 billion by 2023. So then we are proposing our solution, Sensorial XR. Is the best haptic glove in the world for training in virtual reality, augmented and extended reality, with no suits, wireless, battery power, that brings real sense of touch and motion capture for the user. We are incorporating tactile technology, haptics, in the whole palm with 10 active points, and that means that your brain believes that there is real tactile sensation when you are touching things in the virtual scenario. On top of that, we are putting motion capture built in the glove because we need your hand to behave like your real hand in virtual reality. So we have full degree of freedom in fingers and hand. Finally, but not least important, is the feature of becoming a smart controller. Because if you are not having a controller in your hand and your hand must behave as a button, we have conductive fabric zones which you can configure and become like a smart controller. So you can trigger commands using gestures. Our business model is a mix between a SaaS, where you have licenses for developers and you have resources for developing your solution, and at the same time we are offering our hardware, Sensorial XR. So you have the hardware and the licenses, and the final customer, which uses a generated solution, just need the hardware, the glove. We are working with main companies in the world in all verticals, in health, defense, aerospace, industry, and education. And we are being the standard for these companies to provide the natural interface and tactile solution for virtual reality in every domain. And I wanted to point out and highlight the use case with OBE, where we are redefining the company's strategy for the digitalization in virtual reality. This is the blooper of the company. Success stories requires a magnificent team, and this is our team inside NeuroDigital, composed by engineers, PhDs, and computer scientists. Count on us. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, this is José Garcia from OBE Kinematics Business Unit. We are part of HETI Group, and we are very focused in Kinematics for Life. What is Kinematics for Life? Kinematics for Life is related to comfort, ergonomics, versatility, and kinematics. Our innovation process is related to start into the market, finalize, of course, into the market, and we are able to cover different phases. Phases as concept phase, for example, development, and even industrialization. So we are inside different markets, automotive markets, white goods market, and even furniture market. And over here, we are able to develop and to produce products related to kinematics, related to comfort. And in this page, we can see different examples.